Hi, my name is Mary Savali, and I am the chair of the Gas Machinery Research Council's Engine Analyzer and Reliability Workshop, or as we call it, the EAR Workshop. We are so excited and thrilled to let you know that our 2020 event has gone virtual. We will be holding our event on August 11th and 12th, and we have secured 17 subject matter experts from across the United States to come in front of you guys and come live into their homes and just see what their expertise is all about. We have topics in compressor packing replacement, horsepower curve generation, project management, and how to coordinate overhauls on this gas machinery. We have quality control, preventative maintenance, predictive maintenance. We talk about combustion stabilization and fuel balancing and a couple different perspectives on how to do that. We're going to have over, I think it's 8 case studies where people that work the front lines on this equipment are going to come in front of you and talk about circumstances that they've been through and how they resolved it. And so we're just so excited to have the amount of knowledge and the amount of content to bring to you. And so if you click on the link in this post, it's going to take you to a site that will give you more information and also talk about registration, because we would absolutely love for you to join us in this year's 2020 EAR Workshop. So once again, click on the link and we hope to see you in August. Thanks.